Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just gonna be doing a quick and easy summer look. I want to do some sunset blush and I just want to get into the vibes of it. So I finally bought a camera, and I'm sorry if I sound really choked up. I have a really bad cold right now, but I finally bought a camera and I thought what would be a good idea to get a camera where I can take photos and do some vlogging, because I love taking videos and I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a very simple sunset blush look. I'm gonna focus mainly on the skin, less on the eyes, and yeah. First I'm going to take the Giorgio Armani. This is their glow enhancer. I've been using this all over my body recently and it is to die for. It is amazing. It just adds that nice glow and adds a little bit of a tan, not too much. It's very, very good for my petal girlies. Now we have that all over the chest. I'm just going to blend that in. But also, I just want to talk about the fact that I haven't done YouTube in so long. Like, I used to make videos when I was younger, like we all did. But I think, like, I really want to get into my, like, YouTube era now. Not even just for the fact of, like, getting anything from it. Like, I just feel like I really just want my videos on there. So let's say in future, like, when I go on holidays, when I... you know, anything that's of value in my life, I take videos of and upload it. Like, just think about my kids or my grandkids, they can watch that and it's on there forever. And like I said, like, I feel like just talking to a camera like this and being able to get good quality while also being able to just edit it and upload it, I love it. So I thought, why not, you know. Next, I'm going to be going in with primer, and I'm going to be taking, this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, but this is the one that has like the glitter and stuff. Just ignore my nail, by the way, I need to get them done. And I feel like this is really nice on the face, especially if we're trying to do a bit more of a summer look. Applying just small bits everywhere, and then I'm just going to blend it out. I'm just going to blend it out with the same brush that I used on the chest, just because we want to have that little bit more of a bronzy look. I am very excited for this new era. I hope that it brings me a lot of joy. Because that's what I'm hoping for. Like, I find joy out of doing stuff like this, and I really hope that it will be fulfilling to me, and I'm very grateful that I'm able to do this. Like, I'm very grateful that I was able to afford this. So yeah, I feel good. So I'm going to be taking my Tear foundation. This honestly is one of the best foundations I've ever tried, and I don't think I'll ever go back. I don't think I'll ever go back. I need someone to change my mind, because every time I use this, I am just dumbfounded with how it makes my skin look, and I will show you. It literally just comes like this, and then you open it, and it comes with a little pad, which the pad is quite solid, which I really like. Sometimes they're just a little bit too flimsy. So that, and then it's just insane, like the amount of coverage you get, but like the layers, they feel so thin, and that is what I love. Like, I just love it. Like, look at the difference. It's actually insane. Like, if you need a foundation that feels thin, lightweight, but gives you full coverageness, this is the best one. I really need to get you guys on this foundation, because look at my skin. Actually, maybe I won't, because I don't want it to sell out, because I really like this foundation. I'm just going to spot conceal. I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics. This is their Studio Concealer. They have discontinued this now, but let me tell you, I'm going to keep using it until the last drop. I love this to cover any pigmentation or any spots, and I just like to go over very lightly, and it just gives you the full coverageness without actually having so much makeup on your face. I don't want full foundation, full concealer, full everything. I like feeling like it's lightweight, but it looks full coverage. I'm gonna go in with Dole Beauty. This is their Give Me Sun Cream Bronzer. It is honestly so nice, and it's so compacted. I love the packaging as well. I got the shade in medium because I think they're revamping, so they were doing like a massive discount. So I'll just show you how this goes on. I'm going to pick some up from the palette, and I'm going to brush it on the back of my hands just to get the formula everywhere, and then I'm going to lightly tap it into the sides of my temple while dragging it up to the top of my head. I have quite a big forehead, and I like to carve it out as much as I can, but I don't like it being really orange, as I'm a very cool tone girl. But as it is more towards spring and summer, we're going to go a bit warmer and a little bit heavier. But look how easy this blends into the face. I'm gonna go just above where the cheekbone is, just because I want to be a little bit more lifted, and I'm gonna buff it slowly down into the center parts of my face, as I don't like it being stuck all the way at the back of the head. I like it being dragged down a little bit more to give the face a bit more structure. I'm gonna dust this across the lid. I'm gonna merge it up to meet the temple. I'm gonna take some just around the jawline area, and this is gonna give me a bit more of a sculpted look. Now we are all bronzed, let's move on to blush. This is the bit I was really excited about because we have the new MAC Cosmetics Strobe Blush. So this is their new Strobe Blush. I'm gonna try and do the Sunset Blush. I'll do it on this side, and then for my TikTok, I'll do it on this side. We're gonna go in with the lightest color. This is Ice Gleam. Just gonna pop a line there. These are very pigmented, so you don't want to put a lot on. I'm gonna go in with Apricot Jelly and pop that there. And then I'm gonna go in with Good Vibes and pop that there. Good Vibes is very pigmented, so I don't want to go too heavy. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend the darkest color first up to the temple and then slowly go down. So pretty, look at that. Oh my god, I love it. That's so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. I really like it. I love the way it's sitting on my cheeks, and it is giving summer babe. I feel like right now it's giving very blush blindness. So we're gonna go in with the Studio Radiance concealer. This again by MAC Cosmetics, and we're gonna brighten with NW5 because I want to color correct. Just putting a small bit in the inner corner, a little bit on the outside, dragging it down the side of the nose, chin and up. These are the best concealer placements for my face. It lifts up my face and gives me structure while also making it look a bit more natural. It isn't too full, and I'm not putting loads of concealer on just to cover my under eye. I'm gonna blend that out by pushing that into the skin. I prefer to use these I think they're like pads. I don't know, like liquid pads. I don't know. But I love them because they push it into the face, and that is what I prefer. Because swiping and everything is just very long-winded. And look at the difference. A subtle little bit of concealer and finding the angles that suit your face are literally gonna change your game. Now we have concealed, we're gonna powder, and I'm showing you my new favorite. Yes, I got on the Huda Beauty hype. I was like, let me just see what everyone's talking about, and let me tell you, never again will I use a different powder. This powder, my under eye does not crease, ever. And my under eye always creases. Take some on my powder puff and put that on the back of my hand and press under my eye. Can you already see that? I literally can't, I literally can't. It's insane, like what it does. And the thing is, I don't even care about the smell. Like, it smells nice. Like, it doesn't react with my skin as well, which I love. Yeah, no, I'm in love with it. Next, I'm going to be going in with bronzer. I'm going to be using my Rodding bronzer slash contour. The reason I really like this is because it is so cool toned, and right now I'm not tanned. Unfortunately, when you live in England, you really don't get tanned unless you go on holiday. So I'm going to keep using this until I have somewhat of a tan. So you press it into the side, so darkest to lightest, and then you press it into the face, and it just gives you that nice bronzy tone, but it's like a contour, which I love. I got this from Yes Style. Let me tell you, I get all my Korean skincare, all my Korean makeup, all my Japanese makeup from there. I love it. And the thing is, like, yeah, the shipping's long, but come off it. Like, I'd rather pay cheaper prices than have to pay double the prices in London. Hey, this sculpts my face. Oh, I love it. This is what we're just gonna dust over the nose and then bring it into the eyelid. The thing is with this, we don't want to be too sculpted. We literally want to have that sort of summer glow, but also bronzy blushy. I'm gonna go in and do my eyes. I just did my eyebrows off camera because what is the point? Because it is so boring. I didn't think you guys would want to see that. So yeah, I'm now gonna go in. This is the Judy Doll brown eyeliner. I'm just gonna do a small wing, if I'm honest. Like, I don't want too much. I need to look at what I'm doing. The way I've just gone really silent while doing my wing. I feel like every girl can relate to that. Like, cute little wing, nothing too much. And then we're gonna do mascara. I've done the eyeliner. I'm gonna move on and curl my lashes. I honestly, I'm such a lash curl girl now. Like, I don't think there's any going back. Next, I'm gonna be going in with mascara. This is the L'Oreal. This is their Panorama. This mascara, I used it once and I was very pleasantly surprised with it. Like, it was really, really nice. And it just like elevated the lashes just that little bit more that I wanted. Lashes, I love. These lashes I hate. I don't know why. They have just like a weird curve to them. And they just do not go in the direction that I want. I don't know what happens to the lashes on this side. I told you they're very weird. They have a mind of their own. So I literally just try and ignore it. Just focus more on the side. This side is the best side. This is why I said, look at this side. This side is horrific. I don't know why it always does that. Let's just ignore it and move on for now. We'll move on to my favorite bit. Okay, I have been using this non-stop. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Glass. This is like their highlighter stick. And let me tell you, just have a look at this. Wait. Let me just add it. Add it to the brow. Look at that. It literally makes your skin look like glass, and it literally does not take off any of the makeup. Lip combo, I'm going to go in with Doll Beauty. This is their Lips Don't Lie. I love it because it's a little bit more ready, and that is what we want. I love doing lips. Like, doing lips is like my favorite thing in the whole entire world. Filling in my Cupid's bow. I love doing my Cupid's bow. Then I'm gonna go out with Sell Out from MAC Cosmetics again. Again, one of my favorite lip colors. So much. Just adds that little bit of Now we have done the lip combo. Let's go. I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty. This is their Gloss Bomb. This is such a nice shade. It just adds so much. I'm gonna add a few little bits and then I will be back. God damn, my hair. This is the final look. It was just an easy look. I just wanted to get into editing again and, you know, posting again. So I just wanted this to be a quick, easy, fun look. But yeah, hopefully you guys will see more of me. Hopefully I have some time to actually do this and edit more. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, follow, whatever you feel. And yeah, see you again soon.